Our lead story today is about Value Electronics. They conducted a 4K and 8K shootout in New York City several weeks back. We waited to report on this because they had a very good panel discussion, really talking about the 8K ecosystem by these panel of experts. They had some very good things to say about 8K. There were actually three TV brands in the shootout, LG, Sony, and Samsung. LG won the shootout with the highest scores, but one of the takeaways these experts said was that the differences between these 8K sets and 4K sets for that matter are actually fairly small at this point among the brands. So you really can't go wrong with hardly any of these TVs at this point. Now, specifically talking about the 8K market, they see the value of the 8K TVs in terms of image quality, although they do seem to prefer contrast and color as maybe a higher factor than resolution. But again, the takeaway here is that these 8K TV sets are kind of the top of the pyramid that these brands offer. So they have the best contrast, they have the best color, and they have the best clarity or resolution. They have the best processing, they have the best audio. So if you want the best, it just happens to be an 8K TV. So if you want to listen to their full panel discussion, there's a link in the article, and you can read our article on the 8K Association website.